Hello, my friends. I just don't know what to say about this little guy. This is not usually how I start my videos, but when you see this little guy as I fold it, you just don't know what to do. I love this little fold it that we're coming out with right this second. So I'm going to show it to you. I had to show you this little sneak because, are you kidding me? I tried to get him in with the bananas. He didn't fit into the collection, so he had to come a little bit later. So he's a week late, but not $1 short because he's too stinking cute. Now, let's jump in and look at everything that we're releasing today, and I have tons of samples to show you more of that little guy. I also have something that's a little different today. Let's jump in. First, I'll show you our little monkey fold it set. Look how cute he is. Now, what I did with him is I did a little bit more than I normally do. So yes, he's wearing overalls. I gave you the overalls also separately so you could just die cut them and throw them right on top. So you didn't have to do extra cutting. I gave you his glasses separately so you could add those as well. And let me just tell you, he is so dang cute. Okay, more samples to show. I also have the words, and it's just easier if I show you the real dies instead. I also have the words, believe in yourself. We're looking at just the words, believe in yourself, and you are great. Believe in yourself, you are great. They are a die set that we're offering right there. Boom, brand new today. First 24 hours they're here. They're on flash sale. And last but not least is something very, very special. If you had to describe Stamps of Life, you'd probably say we're more on the cute side, right? And I would definitely agree with that. I love cutesy. I'm all about cute. I'm all about fun. But this little girl, I call her Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea is a little different. Sweet Pea is like, I don't want to say a little bit more grown up, but she's a little bit more grown up. She's not like the little peeps. She's not like the pudgies we had years ago. She's, oh gosh, I don't even know. I don't know. She's just more. Are you ready? I'm very proud. I'm very excited to share her with you because there's more in this series. I hope you love her as much as I do. There's more in this collection and I'm excited to share them with you, but this is the first one. Sweet Pea is the first one, and here we go. Isn't she adorable? I absolutely love her. So let's turn it this way. Sweet Pea. So here we go. You are special to me. Thank you. You are so kind. Hello. And then also friend. So you can do this separate or together. Thinking of you. We have these little flowers extra to put in her headband if you want to. These little flowers stamped as one, stamped perfectly on her little dress. Yes, there are dies that match. However, I took this a step over it. I went a little further. And instead of selling you the stencils separate, I said, you know what, factory, put it together. So if you buy the dies, which of course you have the inside die and the shadow dies, if you buy the dies, you get these stencils extra, right? Look, turn it this way, so there we go. So you can stencil our little Sweet Pea and a whole bunch of different patterns for her little dress. Now, I cannot wait to show you the samples. Let's jump in and look at her samples first, because let me tell you, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. It's weird that I'm releasing Sweet Pea and the little monkey at the same time because they're both mwah, chef's kiss, right? Look at how beautiful our little Sweet Pea is. Look at how special she is. Now, you get to decorate her any colors you want, right? So for example, if you want a blondie, you can do a blondie. If you want a brunette, you can do a brunette. If you want a redhead, you could do a redhead. You get to make her, and make sure you know all of these are in our idea gallery on our website. So you don't have to take screenshots or anything. They're all in our idea gallery. But look at these works of art. With the stencils, life is so easy, right? And they're included with the dies. Look at that. Isn't she adorable? Okay, I'm just telling you, you're going to fall madly, deeply in love with her. I hope you fall in love with her as much as I do, or I am, because there's more in this series coming, and I'm very excited to share them with you. Let's jump in and look at some more. So here is You Are Great. Here's another one. You Are Great. Love it. Here's a fun bookmark. You Are Great and Believe in Yourself. Love it. Here's another cute one. I love this with our talk bubble. You Are Great. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready for our little monkey? I should have named him. I should have named him, but look at our cute little monkey. I absolutely love him. He is so much fun. Look at this with the extra bananas. Oh my goodness. Now, he's A2 in size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when he's by himself. Look at how stinking cute he is. Now, add him all the teachers that are in your life. Are you ready for this? Are you kidding me? Add the little books. Add the little books. Add the pencil slimline. Look at that. Fueled by books and coffee. That's a work of art right there. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, let's make our little girl a girl. I mean, our little monkey a girl because, hey, girls are monkeys too, right? Now, look at this one. This is so fun. This is in our rounded floral treat box, and it got a little munched in shipping when she shipped it to us. But look at that. Imagine taking this to a birthday party or a little birthday tea and having a gift card in this cute little box. Look at how adorable she is. Isn't she so much fun? Now, club members, I know that you get 15 to 20% off the entire website every single day, every single time you order, every single item. Well, does that include fabric? Yes. Does that include magnets? Yes. Does that include ribbons? Yes, 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 yes. Everything. There's no asterisk that says excludes this. No, no, everything. Now, also, the first 24 hours, these items that are brand new or on our website, they're on flash sale. So go get them quick so you get the extra discounts. You also earn club points. You also get a gift certificate on your anniversary for your club. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.